Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos for free. Let's launch the TikTok app first and find video that we want to download. Let's say for example we want to download this video. You want to click on the share underneath. You see there is a three different menus over here, right? You want to click on the middle one and you want to click on the blue icon copy link. After we copy the link, I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this app. It's called snaptik.app. Okay, I want you to click on this, and then when you're at the app, I want you to paste the link that we just copied. Okay, then hit download. As you can see, the video was actually processed very fast. All we gotta do to scroll down and to find the real legitimate download buttons. I want to warn you that there could be a lot of ads with fake download buttons, so I want to make sure that you click the right ones. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.